In today's video, let's talk about how to fix Maya login problem. Now, the most common reason why this happens is, especially if you're using an Android device, you may have turned on the developer options. So what you need to do is head over to the settings on your device, search for developer mode on the top, or search for developer options, or you can head over to the additional settings. And if you are able to see the developer options being displayed, you just need to toggle that option off. If you don't see it, that means that it is not enabled. If this is not the case for you, the second thing that you need to do is try to clear out the app cache. Simply tap and hold the application, head over to the eye icon, head over to clear data that you should be able to see on the bottom or within the storage option. So simply tap on clear all data. What this does is deletes any sort of corrupted files which might be causing this issue. Now, even after you tried both of these steps, you're still facing this issue. Then what you need to do is just reinstall the application of Maya onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing this issue should also be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.